Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I welcome my new and existing subscribers. Welcome back to Phoenix Bags. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to quilt your leather to make Chanel bag. These are some examples of quilted leather. I'm going to be showing you a simple one. Make sure you watch this video till the end to get the full details. So guys, let's dive straight into it. We are going to make sure you're using a plain leather, like a leather that has no design at the front, and we're also going to gum it to our foam. You can use any foam like interfacing. We're going to apply gum and gum it together. Also, you are going to quilt your leather after you've cut it into the desired sizes. You're going to be sewing it in. Guys, after that, now I'm going to use my erasable pen and my ruler to form slant lines. I'm going to be doing slanted line quilting, but you can actually make it any design of choice. Just make sure you use your erasable pen to mark out the lines you're going to be sewing on to make sure it's accurate. So I'm going to be doing slanted lines in interval of 0.5 inches. Also guys, don't forget to click on the subscribe button to get more updates from me. So guys, after that we're going to stitch. We're going to be stitching on the lines. You have to be very careful when stitching because they must be very accurate. Then your thread must not be cutting in the middle so it doesn't loosen out. So guys, now I'm done quilting my leather. I'm going to be stopping here. You can also cross it over to give it X double line shape. You can do it to any way you like it. You can actually design it any way you like it. Guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm hoping to see you in my next video and have a lovely day ahead.